This is your average universal size titanium quick release right here. Quick, easy, fairly small, but a good size. Now this is the Bang T titanium quick release. When you compare the two, look at that sucker. It is huge. Just massive compared to this little guy. And this is actually cheaper. Works just as well. Nice quick release. Decent design. Giant titanium rings. But this sucker is just massive. Pretty cool though. Look at that size comparison. It's crazy. This one is definitely made for heavy duty stuff. I just can't believe how big it is.